Station. Hello guys, today we're doing baby born supplies and there's a baby here. Oh, it's so cute. And let's look at the back. Wow, there's a nappy and there's a boy and a girl baby. Wow, with the milk bottle. Let's open it. Oh wow! Guys, it's a baby born with supplies. It's a bee. Oh, she's so glittery. She's yellow and black, and her wings are so glittery. I think she wants to wake up now. Yay, it's time to wake her up. Guys, she's a girl. She's got a crown and some flowers. She's a very beautiful baby. I think she wants to open her eyes. I think we're going to look what baby we got first. We got this bee. Her name is Buzzy Bee. Wow, and see what bottle we got. Can you guess what it is? I don't know. It's a pink one with a pink bow on it. It squirts in her mouth like this. Now let's open our eyes. I need a glass of water. I'm gonna get my swaddle and rub the eyes out. Can you see her eyes? Wow, they're brown, guys. That means I think we need to find the brown eyes. I think she wants some water now. I got my tissue ball here. I need to squirt it here. Let's give her water bath to her. Here you go, baby. She's going to drink her water and then she's going to do a wee in her nappy. I think she's ready, guys, now to do it. Ah, she's done. She's doing wee. Ah. How can you see the wheel? Uh-oh, she's done a puddle. We need to clean it up. Ah, she's doing more wee. That's a lot of wee she's doing. Do you want to drink some more water? No. Let's see what food she likes in the nappy because there's a food on it in the nappy. There's a print in the nappy what they can show us. Yay! Let's see what print see what bees. Oh, she's got bees on her nappy. Let's find a bee. Where was it? Can you see them, guys? I think bees are watermelon. Do you like watermelon? Yes, she does like watermelon. And watermelons are healthy. I think let's see what eyes does she have. She has brown eyes. And what is her name begin with? But it's for bee, so she's a bee. And here's a bee. Her name is Julia. Her name is Butterbee. Her name is Butterbee Juliet. Aww. Here's her nappy. I think she's sleepy now. She needs to have a good rest. When she wakes up in the morning, I'm going to give her some more water and squeeze her head so she does more. Oh guys, she's so cute. Look at her. I really love her crown on her. Flowers on her. Wow, she's going so tall. It's because of the water, guys. She's all snuggled up now, guys. Shh. She's so cute. Bye. If you want to see more of my baby born videos, watch all my baby born videos. Bye bye. And don't forget to follow me on Insta. Bye.